Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries lurking within the realm of cryptocurrencies. I'm Steven, your guide into this journey, and just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and touch of magic. But before we dive into today's crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this video is not intended as financial and investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. Don't forget to put like and also comment in this video, and see you after this intro. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something really exciting to talk about. It's a cryptocurrency that's been making waves and capturing the imagination of the crypto community. It's squirrely, it's fun, it's packed with potential. I'm talking about bread. So what is exactly bread? And why is everyone buzzing about it? To understand bread, we need to take a trip back to its roots. Bread is inspired by a character from Matt Fury iconic Boys Club comic series. You might know Matt Fury as the creative genius behind Pep, one of the most recognizable meme out there. Now let's talk about Bread's new home-based chain. Base Chain is Coinbase innovation, a blockchain platform since it launched in 2023. It's been making headlines for its ambitious goals, like its recent plan to onboard over 1 billion users with a new smart wallet. And being part of the Base Chain ecosystem is a big deal. It means Bread is not just any meme coin, it's positioned as a solid foundation with one of the biggest names in crypto backing up. This gives Bread a unique edge in the competitive world of digital assets. One of the factors that Bread's success is the tokenomics. 25% liquidity pool. This means a huge chunk of Bread token are reserved to ensure there's plenty of liquidity for trading. It helps keep the price stable and makes trading smoother for everyone. 10% treasury. The portion is set aside development, marketing and future expansion. Think of it as a project source for funding ongoing, initiative and growth. 5% for CX wallet. Finally, the small slice of listing Bread and a major centralized exchange. It's all about making Bread accessible, visible to many people as possible. But Bread isn't just relying on its main appeal. It has some solid utility that make it stand out here, what make Bread a serious contender in the crypto space. So here we have strong partnership, growing ecosystem, and a strong community support. Perhaps one of the most important aspects of the community, Bread has garnered significant backing from the crypto community, including endorsement from prominent figures. This community support is essential for its growth and success. So as you see here, you can buy it from any of these platforms, including BitBuy, Get.io, Biconomy, and you can check all that by clicking here. So as we have already tell you, Bread is the legendary character from the Matt Fury, and you can check this video to see what is Bread. We have already talked about the tokenomics, and looking ahead, Bread has its sights with its current market cap already hitting 1 billion and ambition to reach 10 billion to the sky limit. You can check also utilities from here, and as always I will let the link of the website in the bio. So whether you are a seasoned crypto investor or just here for the meme, keep an eye on Bread. It's a perfect blend of culture, iconic digital innovation, and who knows, you might just find yourself dancing along the Bread takes the crypto world by storm. You can check also the Twitter or X of Bread. Here you find also the link in the bio. As you see, they are very active and you can ask them anything here. Also, this is the Telegram, the official channel with over 20,000 subscribers. And finally, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell for notification. If you have any question about this project, you can leave us a comment or you can talk with the Bread support in Telegram. So what do you think about Bread? Are you excited about its future? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much for your trust and see you in the next video.